Good morning.
Ma'am,
now in both the classes are teaching JEE, ma'am.
Yeah, now this is JEE only, competitive, these 2 periods, competitive. So board completed, no, this weekend syllabus completed for that. Okay, that's why we
Okay,
continue competitive only. Okay. And inverse trigonometry, all of you learned the formulas in inverse trigonometry.
Yes.
All of you know the formulas. That is very important. Inverse trigonometry, if you don't know formula, means we can't do anything. We didn't understand also. Okay, we didn't understand also. Okay, what is domain, what is range, what is domain and what is range, and the next properties also. And properties also very important, where we have to apply the property. That also very important. Once you go through all the formulas, then you can understand easily. Just once already I posted that notes, no, each and every concept, example, formula, and also problems related that problems, everything it is there. If you want me, check it once. Check it once you practice it. Is not physics, chemistry. You can easily by heart it that and all. Not like maths, right? We have to practice. Need to practice each and every step. Understood what I'm telling now? Huh? What I'm telling, understood all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
You have to practice. You have to practice that only maths. Okay. If once you
Ma'am,
practice.
this week we'll have only inverse trigonometry or even relations and functions.
Yeah, this week inverse trigonometry also there, 50%, 50% relation functions also there. This week, if you case at no, 30 questions it will come from inverse trigonometry. 30 questions will come from relations and functions. Relations. Okay.
We are doing JEE today, no?
Yeah, JEE only. Okay. 31 members are there. Inverse trigonometry, how you are feeling now? It is this also the chapter also difficult.
No, ma'am, better than relations and function. No.
Remaining students respond on the videos and respond all of you.
Ma'am, it's a bit confusing, but it's fine. Ma'am.
But it's confusing.
It's fine.
But we can understand that. We can once you practice, we can easily understand this concept, right? Next, remaining. Yeah, tell me, remaining students. Only these 2 chapters. Chapters and all very easy. Matrices, determinants, that and all very easy. Already we know differentiation, limits.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that and all easy only. Only these 2 chapters. These two chapters also easy only. But one or more time you need to practice. That's all. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
You need to practice. That's it. A number of problems, and already we have test books. So once you solve the test book, easily you can understand. So that which type of concept you are using, reflexive, symmetric, transitive, that and all. Once again, I will revise that all the concept, relations, and function today. First, I will complete today inverse trigonometry. Okay. On the video, all of you, and maintain the notes. That is very important, students. Next, understand this problem, all of you?
This some I didn't understand.
Sorry, I didn't hear, ma. Any doubt here?
Repeat this one, ma'am.
Again, ma'am.
Only this I didn't understand, ma'am.
Even me.
Only we didn't understand this problem, huh?
Yes, ma'am. I don't
Only radiant sum.
I don't understand, ma'am.
Only radiant sum.
Only radian, huh? Which one? Oh, this one, huh? You're asking this one, right?
Ma'am, this question
ma'am.
only, ma'am.
Ma'am, that last question you explain, ma'am.
This one only, no? You're asking.
Not that
Yes.
one, ma'am.
Both are same
Before
only,
that,
no, ma'am.
Both are
Before that,
same.
what, ma?
Last
No,
one
this
only,
one,
ma'am.
this
Last one only, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. That one only.
Tell me the question. Read the question.
Ma'am, this
one,
one, sine inverse, this one only.
Sin inverse, sin phi, ma'am.
Sin inverse, sin phi.
1 5. Yes, ma'am.
This is competitive, ma. It is not a board. This is competitive. Board questions are very easy. Just it is just if you know the formulas, you can easily do it all the exercise problems. Okay. Next, sine inverse of sine phi. Sine inverse of sine phi. So what is the range? Tell me, students. We know that sine inverse of sine theta is equal to theta. When it is equal to theta, tell me what is the range for this? When it is equal to theta, theta lies between minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Minus pi by 2 less than or equal to theta is less than or equal to pi by 2. So now pi by 2, what is the value for this? 1.57.
5-7.
Ma'am.
Yeah, tell me. 1.57 is less than or equal to theta is less than or equal to
1.7 plus 1.7.
Yeah, plus 5.7. So now here, what is there? 5. 5 is, it is more than 1.57, right? It is more than 1.57. What to do? This 5, make it as within this range. Minus 1.57 to 1.57. Then how can you write this one? Means already we know allied angles. First of all, tell me what is pi. Pi is equal to 3.14. If you subtract these two, pi minus 5, how much will get you answer? It is more than 1.5 only, na? It is more than 1.5 only, na?
Yes.
Yeah, that's why don't take it pi. Next, what is next allied angle? You can take 2 pi.
2 pi.
If you take 2 pi means how much this value? 6.12. 6.12. Now,
Yes.
if you subtract these two, how much? Tell me. This subtract these two. It is between
1.1.
yeah, in between this range only, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Between only, na? Now here you can select 2 pi. If you subtract these two, then you can get in between range. So that's why I'm taking sine inverse of, in place of 5, I'm taking 2 pi minus 5. Any doubt, students? Please respond. Sine
ma'am.
2 pi minus 5 is, it is in which quadrant? Fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant, sine is negative. Sine is negative. Right? Any doubt here? Sine is negative. So sine is negative means we can write it as minus sine 5. So if we write like that, now sine inverse of sine minus 5 will get you. But what we want here, plus 5 we want. So
Yes,
plus
ma'am.
5 we want means this step can be written as sine inverse of sine 5 minus 2 pi. 5 minus 2 pi. Why? Tell me. If we take minus common, sine of, take minus common, you can write it as 2 pi minus 5. Then again, it is in the form of sine of, this is take it as theta. Sine of minus theta is minus sine theta. Then we can write it as sine inverse of minus right outside. What is theta here? 2 pi minus 5. Then you can write sine inverse of minus sine of 360 minus theta also minus 3. That is 360 minus theta is minus 360 theta, minus theta, right? Minus sine theta minus 5. So minus into minus plus 1 enough. So we can write sine inverse of sine 5. When if you write reverse. Understood, students? If you write reverse, then you can get plus 5. If you write directly, yeah, minus 5 will get you.
Ma'am, so
Hmm.
whenever the negative sign is there, then we have to reverse the value, right?
Reverse,
ma'am?
yeah, very good.
Okay,
Whenever
ma'am.
negative comes, then write the reverse that value.
Then we have to minus it to make it
Yeah,
common.
yeah.
Okay,
What is the answer for this? 5 minus 2, 5.
Yes,
What is the answer for this? 5 minus 2, 5. Any doubt, students?
no, ma'am.
Any doubt? It is clear, all of you?
Yes,
Is it
ma'am.
clear, all of you?
Yes,
Please
ma'am.
respond, all of you. Only one member. Is
Yes,
there
ma'am.
no? Your name? Anu?
Dakshita, ma'am.
Okay. Next. Next question, students. Already have given one more question, right? What is that question?
Tan inverse tan
inverse
minus
of
6.
tan minus 6. Minus 6. Anshul, please respond. Anshul.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me this answer, Anshul. So first of all, tell me, Anshul, we know that tan inverse of tan theta is equal to theta.
Theta.
What is the range? What is the range for this when it is equal to theta? Open interval minus pi by 2 is less than theta is less than pi by 2.
Pi by 2.
Yeah, it is. I'm not taking
Mine.
equal to. So
Yes, ma'am.
not equal to means here endpoints are not included. In between values only included. Nothing but what here minus 90 plus 90 is not included, right? Now tell me minus
Yes,
pi by
ma'am.
2 means minus pi by 2 means minus 1.5.
Minus 1.57. Minus 1.57. Less than theta, less than 1.57.
Very good. Okay. Now here minus 6 is given.
Yes, ma'am.
It is more than that.
Yes,
Tell me.
ma'am. Minus 1.57 is
Wait,
less than.
first 1 minute.
Yeah.
Yeah. First, tan inverse of tan of minus theta. It is in the form of tan of minus theta. Tan of minus theta is what is the formula, students? Tan of minus theta is equal to minus tan theta.
Minus tan theta, which is minus minus tan 6. Minus.
Yeah, minus tan 6. Very good.
Yes.
Minus tan 6. Again, this is take it as x. In
Yes,
inverse trigonometry, we have a formula.
Tan inverse of minus 6
is equal to
minus tan x.
tan inverse x. Very good. This minus right outside. Then you can write it as tan inverse of
Minus tan inverse of tan x.
tan 6. Okay, now don't take now. This is what happened. Not equal to 6, right? This
Not
one
equal
make
to
it as
6.
within this range. Here, this one make it as within this range. Now tell me how to do this problem. Start now, all of you. If you take pi.
3.14, ma'am.
3.14.
Which value you have to take? Tell me.
2 pi.
We can take 2 pi, ma'am.
2 pi only, no?
2 pi.
Okay. Yeah, very good. Minus tan inverse of tan of 2 pi minus
2 pi
6.
minus 6.
2 pi
2
minus
pi
6.
minus 6.
It will be
Now,
62.8.
62.
No, sorry.
That minus right as it is. Now this value equal to how much, students? This value equal to 2 pi minus 6. This minus right as it is. What is the answer for this one?
0.28.
Minus 6 minus
Minus 2 pi. Why? Because already minus is there now outside. Multiply
Yes,
with
ma'am.
the minus.
Yes, ma'am.
Again, you want simplification? No need, na?
No need. No,
Students, please respond. Is there any doubt here?
no, ma'am. No problem.
No, ma'am.
Next question.
Wait, ma'am, 2 minutes.
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am. Can you screen? Little bit more, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Next.
Ma'am, can you show that question again, ma'am? I'm not yet completed.
Next. Completed, right? Tell me this one. Cos inverse of cos 12 minus sin inverse of sin 12. Tell me fast.
Cos inverse minus sin inverse. Formula is there, no?
Formula is not there, no? Minus is there, no? Plus. But that is not form also. This is here cos 12 is there in place of x. Yes, sin 12 is there. Different angles, right? Okay. Same method only. Take separate, find out, take separately and then find out. You got it, all of you? Any doubt here? You're doing, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Options are
I'm
given
doing,
there.
ma'am.
0, 5, 8 pi plus 24. Fourth option is 8 pi minus 24. Akash Vasudev, please respond. Akash Vasudev.
Ma'am, cos 12, you can write 4 pi minus 12, ma'am.
What, ma'am? 1 minute.
Cos 12, you can write cos inverse
Ah.
4 pi minus 12, ma'am.
Very good, very good. Next sign.
4 pi minus 12, ma'am.
4 pi minus 12, very good. Minus the sine inverse of, this also same on Irara?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, good. So this is 4 pi minus 12 minus 4 pi minus 12. How much is the answer?
0, ma'am.
I'm
Minus
0.
Yeah, check it once again. This answer is correct. Check it. Will get you plus 12 or minus 12.
Ma'am, 0, no, ma'am.
Yeah, check the answer first.
Ma'am, is it 24?
24. I didn't get any 24, no? Listen. Cos inverse of cos 4 pi minus 12. So 4 pi minus 12 means we can write it as 2 pi plus 2 pi minus 12. So this is take it as theta. So cos inverse of cos of 2 pi into
2 pi
360 plus
plus-
theta, first quadrant, all are positive.
Yes,
So we
ma'am.
can write 2 pi minus 12. No problem in this.
Yes.
So cos 2 pi minus 12, it is in the fourth quadrant. Finally, we'll get to cos 12 only. So this answer is correct. Next, tell me this answer. Sine inverse of sine, this also we can write it as 2 pi plus 2 pi minus 12. I'm writing down, ma. Sine inverse of sine 4 pi can be written as 2 pi plus 2 pi minus 12. So it is take it as theta. Sine inverse of sine. So it is also in first quadrant, all are positive. Sine 2 pi plus theta is 2 pi minus 12. Then we can write sine inverse of sine 2 pi minus 12. It is in the fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant, what happened here? Minus sine 12 is getting, right? Okay. So minus is getting, no. So minus 12 is getting, but what we
Yes,
want,
ma'am.
plus 12 we want. So this 4 pi minus 12, how can you write? Tell me. 12 minus 4 pi. Are you following now? Any doubt now?
No,
Any
ma'am.
doubt? Yeah, now tell me the answer. Cos inverse of cos 4 pi minus 12, is it correct? Only write as it is. But this value is, we can write it as what, ma? Sine of 12 minus 4 pi.
Yes, ma'am.
Is there any doubt? Clear all of it? 12, 4 pi. 12 minus 4 pi. Please respond. Is there any doubt? Is there any doubt? Why I'm writing reverse here? Why I'm writing reverse here?
Because 12 is negative.
Yeah. 12 minus 4 pi. Now tell me the answer. Cos
Right,
inverse
ma'am,
of
1 minute.
8 pi minus
4 pi
24.
minus 12 minus
8 pi minus 24.
plus. What is the answer? 8 pi minus 24 is the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Option number 4. Clear all of you?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can you scroll a bit down?
Can you short little bit down?
Is it clear all of you?
Ma'am, scroll up, ma'am.
Likit, you're not at all responding, Amma. Inchara.
Ma'am, can you show me the question for 1 minute, please? Ma'am, it's fine now. Ma'am.
Completed?
Yes, ma'am. Completed, ma'am.
Yeah. Next. Now we'll start level 1, Amma. Yesterday already I posted this material level 1 already. I posted right level 1 only level 1.
Yes, ma'am.
You see the practice problems. In practice.
No, only some problem the practice.
Write on down. What is the first question? One. Students, once again, we post once open the material and then solve the problems. Now tell me question number 7, the principal values. This is level 1. Just posted the material. Please open the material and tell me the answer for 7. Please read the question, 7th question. 7th question. Hello.
Ma'am, the principal value of
Principal value of
cos inverse 7/6.
7/6. Yeah. Tell me the answer, students. Straight fast. Already we know. 7/6 is how much? 7 into 30. Already we have done this one. 210 degrees. It is more than. What is the range of cos inverse? 0 to 180. Range of cos inverse. What is the value? 0 to 180. 0 to 180. Tell me the answer.
And which question are we talking? 7th.
Yeah, this is 7th question. So theta is less than 180 degrees. 0 is less than, theta is less than 180 degrees. Tell me, students, how to do this problem? 180 degrees. It is more than 180. We can split as cos inverse of cos 210 degree minus 30. You can write like this. Cos inverse of 210 minus 30 is cos inverse of cos 210 degrees. See now, what much is value? 270, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
We can't take 2
Yeah. Now tell me the answer. 180 plus 30. 180 plus 30. Tell me 180 plus 30. What is the answer of this?
210.
Minus second quadrant.
Yeah, this is first quadrant, right? Second quadrant,
Third quadrant.
and this is fourth quadrant. In the first quadrant, 90 minus theta, 360 plus theta. This is 90 plus theta, 180 minus theta. This is 180 plus theta, 270 minus theta. 270 plus theta, 360 minus theta. Tell me the answer. Which quadrant? 180 plus 30. Third quadrant cos is negative. We can write it as cos 30 degrees. Which formula to apply here? Which formula we have to apply? Which property we have to apply? Tell me, anyone? We have one property, cos inverse of minus x. We have one property. What is that property? If you learn the formula,
Pi
cos
minus
inverse. Yeah, very good. Pi minus cos inverse
cos
x.
inverse x.
Then substitute the value and tell me the answer. Substitute the value and tell me the answer. Pi minus cos inverse of, this is take it as x. So cos 30. So 30 degrees means within that range only, na? 30 degrees means within that range only. So we can write pi minus cos inverse of cos 30 is 30. So
30.
pi is 180, 180 minus, so we can write here given options are radian, right? Tell me.
Pi by 6.
We can write as pi minus pi by 6. What is the
Pi
answer?
minus, ma'am, it is 5 pi by 6.
Yeah, good. Next. Read the second question and tell me the answer. Question number 8. Completed all of you? Completed all of you?
1 minute, ma'am.
1 minute, ma'am.
Next. 8th question. If x plus 1 by x is equal to 2, the principal value of sine inverse x. The principal value of sine inverse x is equal to. Is equal to. Chakravarti Reddy respond. Chakravarti Reddy respond.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Here given x plus 1 by x is equal to 2. Here we have to find out sine inverse x. Which value have to take it x value? Which value have to take it x value? When you get this condition equal to 2, when you satisfy x is equal to x plus 1 by x is equal to 2, which value have to take it? Tell me, students.
Ma'am, is it
Which value have
180
to take it?
1
plus 92 plus 90?
X value is 1, ma'am.
Yeah,
180.
very good. Yeah, very good. Take x is equal to 1. If you take x is equal to 1, what happened? Tell me. If you take
2
x is
will
equal
get
to
2.
Pi by
yeah,
2.
2 will get that one you want, right? Okay. So put x is equal to 1. If you put x is equal to 1, this condition is satisfied. X 1 plus 1 by 1 is equal to 2. So then in this x is substituted in this inverse function, sine inverse x.
Sine inverse of 1.
Sine inverse of 1. What is the answer for this? Sine
Pi by
inverse
2,
of 1. Yeah, very good. Sine inverse of sine. 1 means in place of 1, we can write pi by 2. So which is equal to answer is pi by 2. Is it clear, all of you? Is it clear, all of you? Is there
Yes.
any doubt?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear, all of you?
Clear, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Clear.
even we
Clear,
can take
ma'am.
180 now, ma'am.
What ma? 180, yeah?
In place of x.
180 in place of x. If you take 180 means what? 1 by 180. How can you get to 2? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Next. 9th question here given already, we know, students, the sine inverse of. Do it fast, all of you. This question already we know, just now we explained. Sine inverse of sine 10. Do it fast. 10 radian, that is more than one value, right? Tell me the answer fast. Your options are given. 10 minus 3 pi. 3 pi minus 10. Inchera respond. Inchera respond. Inchera. Jitin respond.
Yes, ma'am.
Jitin. Jitin. Who is this, ma? Jitin?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me how to do this, sir. What is the sine range, sine inverse range?
Pi by 2 less than minus pi by 2 is less than equal to theta is less than equal to pi by 2.
Okay, very good. So your theta is what, ma? 10. So nothing but what? So here what happened? It is more than this
Yes,
condition, right?
It's
So
minus
this is
1.57 pi by 2 value.
Answer 3 pi minus 10.
what, ma? 3 pi?
Minus 10.
Very good. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very good. Who is this, ma?
Ma'am,
Who is this?
Anshul, ma'am.
Already saw this sum, ma'am.
What's, ma?
We finished this sum, ma'am.
It is finished already. Yeah. Tell me, Jitin, how can you write this value?
Ma'am, that only, ma'am. We'll take 3 pi. We will subtract 10 with 3 pi.
Jitin only, na? This is?
Yes, ma'am.
Jitin, tell me.
Ma'am, we'll subtract 10 with 3 pi, ma'am.
Yeah. It is equal to 3 pi minus 10. Students, any doubt here?
No, ma'am.
Next question. What is the next problem? What is the next problem? So before that, students, first I'm telling you. For example, listen, tan inverse of 2 by 3 students. If they given like this, tan inverse of 2 by 3. Here, this tan inverse of 2 by 3, this can be written as a sine inverse, cos inverse, tan inverse, remaining other 5 inverse trigonometric ratios by using right angle triangle. How it is? Let take tan inverse 2 by 3 is equal to take it as theta. Then tan inverse and that side will get you tan theta is equal to 2 by 3 students, all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Tan theta is equal to 2 by 3. Now take right angle triangle. Now, so sine theta is opposite by hypotenuse.
Opposite by adjacent, ma'am.
Sorry. Sine theta is
Opposite by hypotenuse.
Next, cos theta is
Adjacent by
adjacent by hypotenuse. Already we know all this. Tan theta is opposite by adjacent side. So remaining also we know. So now here given that tan theta is 2 by 3 means 2 is what here? Opposite side is 2. Adjacent side is 3. How can you find out hypotenuse? Root over 4 square plus 3 square. Any doubt, students? Please respond.
2 square plus 3 square, no, ma'am.
Yeah. 2 square plus 3 square. 2 square plus 3 square is equal to how much, students? 4 plus 9.
5, ma'am.
Root 13.
Root 13. Okay, now from this triangle, tell me sine theta. Tell me sine theta.
I'm 2 by root 13.
2 by root 13. So theta is equal to nothing but what? Tan inverse of 2 by root 13. So nothing but what is theta here? What is taken? What I have taken here? Tan inverse of 2 by 3. This can be written as, if you want in terms of sine inverse means sine inverse of root 2 by root 13 by using right angle triangle. This is one. Next, like that, tell me cos the next one, cos theta. What is the value of cos theta? 3 by
Root 13.
3 by root 13. So from this, theta is equal to cos inverse of 3 by root 13. So what is theta here? Tan inverse 2 by 3 is equal to, you can write it as cos inverse of 3 by root 13. So like that, you can write cot also. What is that cot value? Cot theta is equal to hypotenuse, that is adjacent. What is adjacent here? What is adjacent side? 3 by 2. So then we can write theta is equal to cot inverse of 3 by 2. So tan inverse of 2 by 3 is equal to, this can be written as cot inverse 3 by 2. Like that, remaining functions also you can easily find out by using right angle triangle. Any doubt, students? Please respond here. Is there any doubt?
No problem, ma'am. No problem.
Are you following? Is there any doubt? Remaining problems you had to do like this. So for example, tan inverse is there. If you want to convert into sine inverse means by using right angle triangle. Okay, like that. Suppose if they given cos inverse means that cos inverse convert into sin inverse means same method only by using right angle triangle. Completed all of you?
1 minute.
Completed, man.
Ma'am.
Cot theta is what? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Sorry, adjacent side by opposite side. Cosecant theta is equal to hypotenuse divided by opposite. Next, secant theta is equal to hypotenuse by adjacent. Completed, students? Students completed?
2 minutes.
1 minute, ma'am.
Next. Question number 18. What is the question number 18, students? Cot of, hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, cot of sine inverse root over 13 divided by 17 minus sine of tan inverse 2/3. Tell me the answer, students, all of you. Wait fast. Outside cot inverse is there. Inside what we want? Which inverse trigonometry function you want?
Sine.
Outside cot is there. Inside what you want? Outside cot is there. Inside which function we want? This sine inverse is convert into which inverse function we want?
Cosecant.
Hey, outside cot is there. Inside what we want? Cot inverse.
Part only, ma'am.
But the sign we can't change to cot no, ma'am. But sign we can't change to cot no.
Maybe that like that only, but don't scribe that like that. Simply write the sine inverse of sine theta is equal to write theta only. Don't write out like this. Okay. Meaning is like that only, but don't scribe like that. Okay. Next. Minus. Yes, sine is there outside. Which function you want here? In place of tan inverse, what we want?
Sine.
Sine inverse. Okay. Do it fast, all of you. Take right angle triangle. Take right angle triangle. First, let sine inverse root 13/17 equal to theta. Sine theta is equal to root 13/17. Opposite is root 13. Hypotenuse root 17. Adjacent side root of 17 whole square minus root 13 whole square. Root to square, root to square. What is this value?
14.
Root 4, 2. From this triangle, what we want here? We want cot. Cot theta is equal to 2/√13. So therefore, theta is equal to cot inverse of 2/13. Okay. Cot of, we got it, cot of, in place of sine Sine inverse of root 13 by 17, you can write cot inverse of 2 by root 13. You got it, all of you students? Please respond.
Ma'am.
Yes,
Mm.
ma'am.
Yeah, next. Second one. Again, take one more triangle. Let tan inverse 2 by 3 is equal to, take it as theta. Tan theta is equal to 2 by 3. Then take right angle triangle. This is theta 2, 3, root 13. From this triangle, I want sine theta. Sine theta is equal to 2 by root 13. Now theta is equal to sine inverse of 2 by root 13. So therefore, tan inverse of 2 by 3 is equal to, this can be written as tan inverse to sine inverse of sine inverse of 2 by root 13. Now tell me, student, this is the question, right? This is the question. Now substitute the values. Now tell me, substitute the values. If you want to practice, no, you can easily do it fastly. Tell
Can
me
you scroll
answer.
a bit down, ma'am? One
Yeah.
minute, can you scroll a bit down?
How much you got it answer? Cot inverse of. What you got? Cot inverse of. What you got, students, here? Cot inverse of sine inverse of. How much you got it?
2 by root 13, ma'am.
This is 2 by root 13. Next, this is
Root
tan
13
inverse
by
of
17, ma'am.
root 13 by 17. This is also 2 by root 13 only, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, substitute here. In place of tan inverse, convert into sine inverse, will get you 2 by root 13. Now what happened? Cot of cot inverse 2 by root 13 will get you what? 2 by root 13 only, na? Minus sine of sine inverse of 2 by root 13 will get you what? 2 by root 13. 2 by root 13 minus 2 by root 13. Both are cancelled, will get you 0. Students, are you following or not? Please respond.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
How much you got the answer?
Why for this different triangle too, ma'am?
What, ma?
Why
What
for?
complete? Tell me. Why?
No.
Why?
nothing.
Tell me. What's up?
No, why you draw for one more triangle? I asked, ma'am. I understood.
Yeah, understood. First
Okay.
one for this one. Second one is for this. Tan inverse of 2 by 3 is for second triangle. Okay, sine inverse of root 13 by 17 is first triangle. Okay. So here we'll get to 2 by root 3. Therefore, this also sine inverse of tan inverse 2 by root 3 is equal to sine inverse of sine 2 by root 3. We'll get you 2 by root 3. So if you subtract these two values, you'll get you what's the answer? Equation number 1 implies 2 by root 3 minus 2 by root 3, which is equal to what is the answer, students? 0. If still we have any doubts, this type of problems are very important, especially case etama. Okay.
One doubt now.
Yeah, tell me. Tell.
No, how sine inverse of root 13 by 17 can be written as cot inverse directly like that, no?
Yeah, directly where? Here,
No, ma'am, in first only wrote, no, ma'am.
Here, this one, right? You're asking?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
We got it, Nora. We found no here. Simply I substitute there.
So sine inverse of root 13 by 17 is equal to cot inverse of 2 by 13,
One
no?
minute. Now 1 minute. This is the question, right? Now, this is outside cot is there. Inside we want cot inverse. Inside we want cot inverse means here take right angle triangle. So now sine inverse of root 13 by 17, take it as theta. So sine inverse equal to sine inverse and to left side is will get you, right side is will get you sine theta. Sine theta is equal to root 13 by 17. Listen. From this sine theta is root 13 by 17. Take right angle triangle, find out all the sides, root 13, 2 and root 17 will get you. From this triangle, already we know How can you find out what is the definition of cot theta? Cot theta, why I'm taking cot theta only means here outside cot is there. You want cot inverse. You want cot inverse means first you have to take cot theta only. Cot theta is equal to 2 by root 13. From this theta is equal to that cot is sent that side. Cot inverse will get you. Then here what happened? Theta is equal to cot inverse of root 2 by root 3. What had taken theta here? Sine inverse of root 13 by 17 is equal to, in place of sine inverse root 13 by 17, we can write it as cot inverse of 2 by root 13. These both values are equal only. Understood now? Now take the question first. If we take the question, cot write as it is. Sine inverse of root 13 by 17 is what we got it here. Cot inverse of 2 by root 13. Cot of cot inverse 2 by root 13 is right direct value 2 by root 13. Students, are you following now?
Ma'am, cot inverse of root 13 by 17 is equal to cot inverse of 2 by root 13, ma'am.
Yeah, that's one, you got it here. That one, from triangle, right angle triangle. From right angle triangle only, you're getting all these values.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Is there any doubt, students? Please respond.
No, ma'am.
No,
Next.
ma'am.
Are you following, all of you? Is there any doubt here? This type of problems are remaining also.
Yes.
Now tell me. Next. Question number 11. Question number 11. Sine of sine inverse 4 by 5 plus sine inverse of 7 by 25. Now we have a formula. We know that. Do it fast, all of you. Sine inverse x plus sine inverse y is equal to, what is the formula, students? Sine inverse of x into root over 1 minus y square.
Y square plus y under root of 1 minus x square.
Very good, very good. This is take it as x and this is take it as y. Do it, all of you, fast. Sine of sine inverse of 4 by 5 into root over 1 minus 49 divided by 625 plus 7 by 25 into root over 1 minus 16 by 25. So sine of sine inverse of this value equal to, write direct this value only. Next, root over 25 minus 16 by 25. How much you got it, Ra? 625 minus
576. 24 by 25. Root 24 by 25. Sorry, 20 into 4. 24 by 25.
Here 24 by 25. Okay. Very good.
Plus, plus I mean into 3 by 5. 3 by 5.
3 by 5. 3 by 5. Total answer?
Ma'am, 117 by 125.
Yeah.
Ma'am, it's 96 by 121. No, ma'am, 125. It's 125. 96 by 125.
Yeah. 125. 21 by 125.
117 by 125.
Very good. Very good. Okay, if you tell like that, no, it is very happy, really. Any doubt? Clear, all of you? Any doubt? Clear? Please respond, ma. Is there any doubt?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Got it, all of you? Got it, all of you answer?
Yes, ma'am.
What, ma? We'll continue this class till 11:30 or we want to break now?
Break, ma'am.
Break. After then, again we'll join or what? Again we are skipping the class.
No, ma'am. No.
Or otherwise let's continue the class till 11:30.
No, ma'am. We can
Continue. Ma'am, you can continue, ma'am.
Continue.
Yeah, I will continue till 11:30. Till 11:30 I will continue.
You will join.
Ma'am, continue, ma'am.
Yeah, I will continue. Next question. What is the next question? If you understand that triangle means you can easily tell this answer. 2 into cos inverse of 7/25. Abhinay, Sri, respond.
Ma'am, we're in 12th question now, right?
Yeah, this is 12th question, no? Yeah, 12th question.
Okay.
Yeah. Abhinay, Sri, respond.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Tell me.
One
Which one take
second.
it as theta? Which one take it as theta first? Tell me.
7/25.
If you take only 7/25, take it as theta means how can you find out remaining all? It's cos inverse of 7/25, take it as theta. Okay, Abhinay?
Yes, ma'am.
Cos inverse of 7/25, take it as theta. Students, cos inverse and that side we get use cos theta is equal to 7/25. Alright, next. Tell me, students. Then substitute there. Then what you get? Tell me, students. Cos of 2 write as this. Theta is there, na? So this is what I have taken theta. Cos theta is equal to, we know the value of cos theta is equal to 7/25. Cos 2 theta, we have 4 formulas. In that, tell me the formula in terms of cos theta. In terms of cos theta. What happened? In terms of cos theta, what is the formula?
And 2 cos square theta minus 1.
Yeah, very good. Okay. And we can use sin theta formula also. Again, we have to find out sin theta from right angle triangle. Okay, no need. Already we know the value of cos theta. That's why we're using this formula. Then substitute the value and tell me the answer. 49/625 minus 1. Sonali, respond N. Sonali N. Sonali N, respond. Sonali N, respond.
It's 98/625 minus 1.
How much you got it? 90?
It will be 527.
Minus 527 divided by 625. Correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Is there any doubt? Is there any doubt? Please respond.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Next. This is very important. Next question. It is very important for KSET students. Secant square cot inverse of 1/2 plus cosecant square tan inverse of 1/3. Students,
Yes, ma'am.
secant square cot inverse of 1/2. Now I am writing secant of cot inverse of 1/2 whole square. We can write like this.
Yes,
Plus
ma'am.
cosecant of tan inverse 1/3 whole square also we can write like this. This is square, we can write whole square. Is there any doubt? Please respond.
No,
Sundar,
ma'am.
respond. Sundar, are you there on the line? Sundar, what is not there today? Absent. Amit, respond.
Amit Josh, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Amit Josh, respond. Amit Josh,
Here outside secant is there. Inside what we want? What we want? Which function you have to take here? Outside secant is there means inside which function you have to take here? Secant inverse, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Here outside cosecant is there. Inside which function you want?
Secant, ma'am. Inverse.
Cosecant inverse we want, right? Okay. Now that cot inverse is converted into secant inverse. How? Tell me. By using right angle triangle. First,
Okay.
first which one take it as theta?